It's your girl Dis. Baby, we out here. Everybody say hi. Say hey. Y'all, we on a, bro, what kind of boat is this, Rick?
This is a pontoon boat.
A pontoon boat, baby. We ain't never experienced that before. Yes, we on a pontoon boat, y'all. We outside. Everybody say hey. You excited about the experience?
Yes, but I'm excited for next time too.
Ooh.
I need to get in the water.
Yes. What about you, Mills? You excited?
Yes, I'm excited. Overly excited.
When we started, what
Next
happened?
time, stay tuned for that vlog because baby, we about to be in the water.
Yes.
Like right now, it's like where's the sun at? But like next time,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, but I'm gonna get back to you when we start speeding down the road, because baby, we gotta have our time and music playing.
Which is over there, and then Hammondsport is down here. So the bluff is actually this part. Between the two fingers, between Fenian and Branchport.
So it'll be like a big space between the two? Like we are in the big space, right? This is
That is the big space, yeah.
yeah.
So that's the space.
So you're bringing stuff there? You're bringing stuff to the church?
Blah blah blah.
He's escaping!
What's on it, Todd? What's on it, Todd?
Baby,
Baby, before the popcorn is going, here's one to it. So. What's on it, Todd?
she cold.
I was trying to record, the wind was blowing my phone, baby. I can't.
Baby, they didn't get wrong people for snacks.
I feel like the Titanic.
Okay, it's stopping.
Oh, take a picture back there, y'all. Look at that back there. Oh, y'all, we going there one day. We going up there with that big sky one day. Baby, look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all. He created this. God created this. This beautiful.
God went crazy.
That's why I went crazy. He's an artist. He's an artist.
When I travel, that's all I think about. That's why I love to travel.
We turning up another night. We smoking broccoli, but she smelling like a ride. I'm in our pennies trying to get out in our cry. Friends are my friends and they trying to get God. Her name is Angel, but she's far from God. Said it don't pay well to fall.
Y'all see?
I said don't lick the water when it's splashing your face, though.
Why would you lick it?
I seen you licking it.
Nobody lick the water.
She's trying to cap for the camera.
She got snacks, baby. She ain't sharing with nobody.
This little packet, you want some?
That's all you got. That's all you got. Baby, she got more than that.